So you've all seen it on social media. You'll see videos where they have these really cool subtitles or really cool special effects. Maybe they zoom in, zoom out, they're adding stickers in different parts of the video. And you're probably thinking these people are spending a fortune. They have this fancy camera, this fancy video equipment, or maybe that somebody else is taking the video with them? Well, no, it's actually video editors. And I've been working from home online teaching courses since 2005. So I've been doing this since I was 19, and things have gotten so much bigger and so much better. This new company called Veed, I've been using them for a couple weeks now. So not for long, but I really really like them and it's really changed any video that I've done. I feel like it just looks so much better in less time, and that's so important when you have a business because unfortunately, it's a good and it's a bad thing. I think social media is amazing because we have a way to reach more people about our business, whether we're offering tutoring courses or we're doing teeth whitening, we're offering a service or whatever it is. So social media is amazing because we can reach so many more people. But it takes more of our time to do all of these things, to come up with the videos, the photos, the special effects, the stickers, the captions, because we always want to set ourselves apart so we don't just look like we're not even trying. I could have easily uploaded a video to Instagram where I'm just sitting on my couch talking, which I do have some like that too. But the thing is, it just shows that I'm being lazy. And that's okay every once in a while. But if you're doing that every single time, people aren't going to come back and watch what you're going to do. But if you spend some time with a little bit of video editing and making things look good, people keep coming back and they want to know what you have to say. But what I really like is I don't like spending too much time, too much work. With this video editor here, I'm barely spending any time and my videos just look so much better. So I'm going to walk you guys through it in case you're curious to know why my Instagram videos look a little bit different, why you might see my YouTube videos look a little bit different. I've been playing around with it for sure. I've made some mistakes where when I first started using it, the video quality was really, really bad, but I had subtitles. But then I kept changing the colors and different types of subtitles and this and this and this. So I've been having some fun playing around with it. So let me kind of show you guys into a couple things. So there is a free account or you can sign up for the pro account. I do a lot of video editing. I probably upload 10 videos a day. I might not share them all, but I upload them inside courses. So I signed up for the pro account, like the middle account, and that's good enough for me and it saved me so much time. But there is a free account too. There's a free trial. You can see if you actually like it. Okay. So they make it super easy. If you have a webcam or if you have a phone, you can do this all and download the app on your phone and do it from your phone too. So I use a little bit of both. I'm on the computer now because I have my webcam, the ring light, but on my cell phone, I can just kind of talk into a video and then edit it that way. But so what you can do is you can create a new project. I will show you that. Record a video, create an avatar. This is for the like paid account. Create clips. Now, this is something I do the most often, and this is what I want to show you guys what this is like. You can see on the bottom here all of my funny faces, videos, because I've been practicing, I've been testing things out. Okay. And what I really like is if I do a YouTube video or a video for my teaching, such as I'm doing now, I can then create a clip and make them smaller for TikTok, for Instagram, for Facebook, or if I did a small one on my phone, I can make it bigger and make it into a YouTube video. So let me kind of show you that because I find create the clips I use the most often. And this is when I had a free account and I quickly upgraded to a pro account because I was like, this is fantastic. So let me just click the clip one here. So basically, what you do is you've already done a video. So then you just have to either put in your YouTube link or get a previous video from the computer. So I'm just going to do that because that's easier. Oh, okay. No, wait, sorry. So to upload it, I go here. I typically just attach a link. So let me just quickly do one that I literally just did, and then you can pick your different subtitles just to keep it simple. But actually, here, let me just show you guys. Like, isn't this insane? And you can change the colors, you can change the style of the text, anything. To keep it simple, I'm just going to pick one here. Do you want clips that are going to go viral perhaps, or highlights or insights, or do you want them to auto generate the length for you, or the 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 45 and 60? I just kind of let them work its magic. Another thing that I forgot to mention is your size. Do you want portrait or landscape? So if you're thinking more YouTube, then you want landscape. If you're thinking TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, then you want portrait. So I'm just going to pick portrait, and it's still kind of uploading the video that I have. I probably should have picked a shorter one. It says 83%, it's moving up, it's quite fast. But while it's kind of uploading, I'm just going to talk about it a little bit again. So, Veed is really easy and it's user friendly. When I first heard about it, it was actually from my fiance saying like, "Have you heard of this like video editing service?" I'm like, "No, I haven't." I looked into it. I watched a bunch of YouTube videos, but they were all several years old, which I thought was interesting. I tried to find some new ones, but they weren't very informative. So I told myself I'm going to make my own to actually tell you guys it actually works, okay? So continue with English. It's going to take a second to create these clips. The nice thing is you can have this page in the background and then do something else on another tab on your computer. It doesn't take too long. Now, this is a little bit of a longer video that I have uploaded here, so it might take 5 minutes, maybe a little bit less, but I can kind of talk while we're doing that. So, what I like about Veed is it's very user friendly. You can quickly figure out how to create a clip, how to create a video, how to add subtitles, and then you can customize it to your brand. So, my brand is like blue, gray, black. It wasn't intentional that that's what I'm wearing today, blue, gray, black, but that's my brand. So, for my subtitles, I might want to have, blue subtitles. Or what I've been doing lately is I match the subtitle color to what I'm wearing just to kind of help it stand out a little bit more. I've been kind of following other like Instagram people to kind of see how they're doing it. And everybody I follow, now I can tell that they're using this video editor the same that I am. And they must know what they're doing because they're, much better than I am. And they have so many more followers, so I know I'm on the right track. And so, other than it being user friendly, what I love about it is I can use it on the computer. I can go and then use it on my phone if I prefer. Typically, when I'm uploading a video for Instagram, I will do it on my phone, like just a quick thing, like, "Hi, everybody, here's an update." But then I'm like, okay, I kind of want the fancy subtitles. I want to add the fancy stickers. You can add video. I can just do that right inside the app. In fact, since we're still waiting, I just did a video where can I show you that video, you guys? Here, let me show you. I'm just gonna pull it up on my photos so you can see. I'll leave the sound off, but you'll be able to see all the fancy subtitles. There's a zoom in and out effect as well that you'll see in a moment. I did add like stickers to the bottom there. Maybe I should turn on the sound. See how there's like books that I've added. But see, I like that subtitle because I don't see it everywhere. It's a different type of subtitle. Sorry, I'm trying to show you guys. Maybe I should have done that closer. It's a 42-second quick video, but notice how it's zooming in and out, it's doing all of that. It took me like 2 seconds to add those features. It's truly amazing. So you can do one video and then you can create clips, which I'm about to show you, and it makes them smaller. It makes them into YouTube Shorts for TikTok, for Instagram. So you're saving time. I think the moral of this video is you're saving time, which is time is money. When I can save time and make things look better in the process, I think that's amazing, right? So, just to kind of show you, so I was doing a video for my dental hygiene admissions students. So, let me just kind of show what one of them looks like, okay? So, the formatting is a bit different because it was a YouTube video, plus I was sharing my screen at the same time. Sorry, it says it's still buffering, but you get the idea. It creates the clips for you. For example, these topics are how long does it take to prep for success? Okay, it's playing the first one right now, but I can also edit it, and it kind of tells you how popular it might be, okay? So can I make this bigger to show you guys? But so I just clicked edit. Uh, I'm just, like, talking away here. I clicked edit. And then so you have the video right here, and then you can still change it up. So just for fun, I'm just gonna leave it the way it is, but you can also change the subtitles. Do you want it higher up? Do you want it lower down? Right in front of your face? That's up to you. The feature that I do use a lot, so I'm just gonna click edit up here. The feature I use a lot are the emojis and the zoom in effect. So just gonna show you that. Sorry, guys, it's not letting me. I think it's just being slow right now. My apologies. But I like to add the emojis. If you look on the side here, you can see all other things you can add to make your video even more exciting. You can add stickers like or emojis here. You can change the color of the emojis or the stickers. You can add, let's see, you can add a progress bar for how long your video is gonna take to kinda show people to just add, like, another cool effect. You can even change the color of that, like, what you want that to look like. It's truly amazing. You can change the video or sorry, the, like, audio, eye contact. You can remove the background, which I probably shouldn't have clicked because that takes a couple minutes. You can add a green screen. There's literally so much. I love this. Now, I forget how do I add the emojis? See, now I've been doing it on my cell phone. So, admittedly, is it style? No. I really wanted to show you the emojis, but you guys get here we go. I think I was just clicking the wrong thing. So, click auto emoji down here under edit. You can make them small, medium. I'm gonna push play to just kinda show you. Watch for the emoji it's gonna add. Oops, let me move this so you guys can see. Watch for the emojis. See how it's, like, adding them in the middle here? Right here? Now, there's a lot happening in this video, I don't suggest adding all of that, but you can open the emoji editor and then, like, you can change the emojis if you don't like them. So let's say for this one, you don't want a book. Click that. Let's say you want a check mark. How cool is that? Or you can take them away. Again, there's a lot happening in this video. I don't recommend this one per se, like, to put all of that stuff all at once. You get the idea. Like, isn't this amazing? You can add your own brand kits to, like, save colors, fonts, so you don't have to keep going in if you're changing all the same things all the time. You can do anything. But let's say we wanna save this video, so remember, this is what it looks like here. If we go back here, there's still a lot of other videos that I can save. So it basically takes that long video and finds the key points to make it smaller, and then you can reshare it, saving you time, like I always say, saving you money. But then to actually save it, you just go up to done. And then I always like to do 4K because that's the highest, the best quality. But you also want to click burn subtitles. So that keeps the subtitles in there. And then you just export the video. It takes a minute, but then you have to make sure to save it as an MP4 file. So I'm just going to show you guys that in a moment because when I first started using this, I thought this saved the video, but it didn't save it to my computer. You have to click again. You have to click download and then MP4. And then it saves it right here to your computer. Okay. So let's just kind of see what it picked. Let's see. Let me turn this up. Yeah. I have people ask me, So see, so that's a very short video to the point, but after you listen to it, you're like, "Oh, I wanna hear more. So let me see what else Andrea has to offer. Let's see her other videos." You can even leave a link for them to watch the main video, but that's why I like Veed so much because the clips I probably use the most. You will see them on Instagram, TikTok, my YouTube Shorts. It keeps it simple. Let's go back to the dashboard. You can do all of these different things. I'm still exploring, but if you're thinking about this, you guys, I highly recommend it. It's not just for those, uber important content creators or, those. I'm using it and it has saved me so much time because I can create many different clips from one video. So I'm reusing content. I'm not working harder, spending more time, spending more money. I'm just doing this and it has saved me so much time. I can't even tell you. What I used to do was I would do a YouTube video and then I would hop on my cell phone and just like make my own short videos based on that YouTube video. And then I'd say, for more information, click this full YouTube video. Well, I don't have to do that now. It has literally saved me at least 10 minutes every hour because I would do that for 10 minutes every hour, make short videos out of my YouTube videos. Well, Veed does it for you and it's great quality. You can add subtitles. People love subtitles. I highly recommend it. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Happy New Year, by the way, depending on when you're watching this video. And I'll talk to you guys very soon. Enjoy, have fun playing with it. Sign up for the free account to see if you actually like it. But trust me, you will. You will love it. You will probably spend an hour just playing with it at first to see all of the features because it is super cool. So, bye for now.